Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So my channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. There I can provide total digital marketing tutorials, kind of off-page activity and the on-page, and also I was provide technical SEO. So there are lots of playlists. So you, according to your niche, you can explore what is your need. So I can provide in-depth um, tutorials, other knowledge. For that can be something valuable for your journey. So now today we can start. So today I have two websites where we can publish our content. So this website accept a bookmarking submission. So I can show you how much this website having around 90 domain authority and the page authority is 76, and the Instapaper cannot able to I'm not able to show you how much domain authority this website having, but I can show you the domain rating. Yeah, so this website having 83 domain rating. So now I can show you how much traffic this website have. Yeah, you can see the monthly visitors is 1.1 million. So in this website we can publish our article, other URL, so that can be valuable for our website, so we can drive more and more traffic. Yeah, so now we can start, um, and I can also show you the other websites, how much this website having traffic. Here you can see this website having 834.5k monthly visitors, and global ranking is 74,000, 74k. So according to you, you can analyze what's your need, where this website getting more and more traffic, and the what kind of demographic. So now this part of you. So if you want, then you can explore. Now we can start. We can create our account. So simply you have to fill your details, and after that we can trigger a request for account creation. Yeah, so our account is created now, and now parallelly I can also create, and also I can sign up in this website. Yeah, so we can proceed for the free option. Here you have to submit your username. Yeah, so our captcha is verified now, so we can go for the create option. Yeah, so this website send a verification email, so now we can check. Yeah, download Chrome extension, click here to install. Welcome to Instapaper. Yeah, So we have received activation mail. So yeah, so our account is verified now. What we can do in an Instapaper, there is no any profile optimization option. So now we can go for the Digo profile option. So we can change our banner profile image. Yeah. So there is only one options. So how we can submit? Here you have to submit your URL. So for my case, I can submit my YouTube URL. Yeah, and after you have to submit your URL, your backlink is live now. So one thing you have to do, you can update your meta title and summary. So for my case, our YouTube channel name is Digital Marketing Lab, and I can submit little bit content. For my case, I haven't created any content, so I can just easily show you how we can do. So our backlink is live now. So the one backlink is live. So you can see on the top of the URL option, you can easily copy it and save it whatever your seat. And now we can start. Yeah, you can click your my library option, and after that you can go for the plus icon, and there is four options. So you have to submit your bookmarking, image, PDF, and the note. So for my case, I can show you how we can bookmark our backlink. Yeah, and I can submit my art content. Tag is digital marketing. Here it is. Simply we have created two backlinks for the highly repetitive websites there, where we can drag a traffic for our website. Then I can show you in an incognito tab which kind of backlink this website provide. According to me, there is only no follow options. My god. And the one thing guys, also the all off-page activity submissions, after submission I can provide a backlink in my description section. How you can check? You can click the website. There is no internet connection. What? Sorry guys, I think I lose my internet connection, so that's why I was not able to show you our backlink statics. So I can show you another video in another video. So how you can check backlink, where I am providing a backlink. So simply you have to open our description section, and you can see easily I provide a backlinks. Yeah. So if you are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, and please keep subscribe my channel because I'm a new in this era, and I really try to help you guys. If you have any concern, any things, so you can comment down on this video, or I can also provide my contact details if you want to connect me separately. So not an issue, you can connect me. There is I can provide my contact number and the email ID. Whatever if you're comfortable, you can drop me a message on the WhatsApp. I can get back to you. So thanks for the watching, and keep safe on yourself, and thanks for the watching. Bye bye.